get the Henry's still out. Got a little water on there. These are the big guys. Okay, you ready? Okay, looks like everybody's ready. Let's count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right now, 72 running, 3T running, 69 running. And silver running again. So we still got silver. Get that through Justin. In the number 72. Here in the number 69. Justin Gray. Pretty good job on the end of that right there. We're still got 4 going. 7 pretty warm out there. Watch the driver's doors, guys. Once again, 69, Jeffrey Gray. Everybody back out of the way? Okay. Ready? Go, 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 whatever. Go through it. We thought we had a fire, but we did not have a fire. So once again, 4 automobiles running down in this heat. When we're run to lead it down the run. In that 69, Jeffrey. In the number 72, Jeff. Down the green, number 33 on the clock out here. We've still got 1.5. 69 with a major problem over on that side. 73 and 3. Sit still, number 72. It was burning under the hood for sure. We could see it from up here. How about a nice big round of applause for Jeff Farrell there in the 72. Did a great job, caught on fire. The darn thing. Yep, good job. And a nice big round of applause once again for our fire department. We are down to 1.5 vehicles.
About Duncan's car. He asked how bad was it, and I said it doesn't bad at all, not many hits.
Not many hits.
Clear the track, guys, clear the track.
He didn't make anything, he just kept spinning. Tell him that, he just kept spinning.
Ready?
Just broken axle.
69! Justin putting the big shot on the number 69. Jeffrey's still running. Once again, we have running out here. Work it on the front end.
Twice already. Justin?
Is that Duncan right there?
Duncan's on the end.
Your winner in the number 3T, Justin Bolster. And your runner-up in the number 69, Jeffrey Gray. How about a nice round of applause for all of our competitors in this heat?
They just fucking sprayed his motor. With water. That's stupid. 5 fucking grand of it.
Once again, number 1 auto parts, sponsored Demolition for our V8 cars